Hello and welcome to my featured listings. I hope you enjoy our tours. Come back often to see what's new. If you have immediate questions, call me at 559-307-6564. Hope to talk with you real soon. If you're looking for a large mansionette on a generous lot in a quiet neighborhood, you've found it. There is great potential to fix it up and create a luxurious family home. Classic French doors lead to the large backyard, a fabulous gathering spot for kids and pets. Cozy up next to the brick fireplace and the large family room. Stage events in the formal living room. Or entertain the whole family on Thanksgiving in the formal dining room. There is a large laundry room with sink, storage and an ironing closet. Fans are in most rooms, with a whole house fan to cool even the hottest Fresno summer. An isolated bedroom and bathroom with a private entry is perfect for an adult child, in-laws, guests, or roommate. Surrounded by an 8-foot brick wall, there are no neighbors behind, adding a feeling of privacy and solitude, but with the ease of a quick drive to freeways 99 and 41, or to River Park and Fig Garden. A light touch of TLC in this house is your next home.